Hi, I'm Wally Buttman, Vice President of Sales at Profile Products. In this video, we'll be discussing Profile's hydraulic erosion control mulch products as compared to rolled erosion control blanket materials for their use in soil stabilization and erosion control where revegetation is required. As this chart shows, Profile has a family of hydraulic mulches for nearly every erosion control application, from stabilized mulch matrix products to long-term flexible growth mediums. Each delivers a level of performance that compares very favorably to specific types of rolled erosion control blanket applications. Additionally, when comparing technical data, Profile hydraulic mulch is clearly better as proven by test results you see here. In the real world, these hydraulic mulches deliver more than just superior erosion control effectiveness and more rapid vegetative establishment. We'll show you why. When compared to blankets in the same categories, Profile's hydraulically applied mulches provide distinct advantages in regard to performance, environmental safety, and ease of application. A key driver of performance is soil surface contact. The more intimate and secure the connection between the seed, soil, and mulch, the better your results will be. Hydraulic applications work best on rough graded slopes. Cat tracks that have a lot of undulations and places for water to gather are the best for soil preparation. Once Profile hydraulic mulch has been applied, it immediately bonds to the soil surface, even down to the cracks and crevices. The spray application enables mulch to fill the gaps and contour to the surface, allowing you to maintain the texture. This provides natural water breaks to decrease flow and increase water retention on the slope. Additionally, the rough grading and intimate soil contact holds the seed and mulch in place so you have more consistent germination the full length of the slope. Comparatively, rolled products require an additional step to smooth grade the surface. This is intended to create more contact between the flat slope and the flat, taut surface of the blanket. Unfortunately, a smooth slope is more prone to seed migration to the bottom of the slope as well as sheet flow and erosion due to undermining of the blanket. The unfortunate result is spotty establishment that is located at the bottom of the slope with limited growth at the top. Also, there is a high potential for erosion, but it can be unseen as it is hidden by the blanket. Although hydraulically applied mulches hold together against rainfall impact, plants can easily emerge through the mulch matrix. Blankets, on the other hand, often tent due to netting that holds them together. While it seems good that plants are growing, tenting is negative because it affects the germination and growth of the surrounding plants. The tenting pulls away the mulching material that is supposed to be providing moisture and protection. The result is you have strong plants living under a net with sparse growth around them. The final factor is obvious after plants are established or if wildlife is present on site. Hydraulic products don't have netting and therefore do not have the problems associated with netting. Even netting that is photo or biodegradable requires time to break down, and typically that time well exceeds the requirements of the project. As mentioned before in tenting, nets can cover and hinder plant growth even on fully vegetated sites. Most importantly, nets are entanglement hazards, not only to workers mowing the area who have to deal with them, but to animals that could be caught or even killed. One final consideration is the efficiency of installing these products. While installation techniques and methods vary greatly, it's clear that applying Profile hydraulic mulches is easier, is far less labor intensive, and takes less time than installing rolled erosion control blankets. That's because you have little or no site manicuring, no staples to install, and no seams to line up. The ease of application and the time and labor savings are directly linked to the use of hydroseeding equipment. By using this equipment, the job can be completed more quickly and cost effectively, which positively impacts overall project savings. There's a safety factor too. Workers don't have to climb steep slopes and apply hydraulic mulch like when they were installing rolled erosion control blankets with staples. There's also less site and seed disruption caused by workers because they don't have to walk slopes during the application. When you add it all up, easier, less costly application, excellent erosion control and vegetative establishment, worker and environmental safety, there is no reason why you shouldn't be switching from blankets to Profile hydraulic mulch. Profile Soil Solution Software, or PS Cubed, is a great online resource to help you make the switch on your projects. Once you log in, you'll receive product recommendations and specifications, as well as installation guidelines, CAD details, and other technical information. There are also tools to help you change the spec from blankets to hydraulic mulches. Click on this link. Start saving time and money with proven advantages of Profile hydraulically applied mulch products.